Hey, what's up? You know, we have tested many wireless earbuds for the last months. They have similar specifications as well as sound quality and battery life. However, each of them has a feature. For example, Whistler's 2-in-1 music pill is wireless earbuds with a built-in speaker inside charging case. It is an amazing idea, do you agree? In this video, I want to tell you about other wireless earbuds called HAKII Fit. The main feature of these earbuds is 3 styles. The first style of HAKII Fit is true wireless earbuds. Also, there are extra ear hooks for better fixation of earbuds in the ears. This is very useful for sports. The third style is wired earphones. This is a style with maximum security. The soft and flexible wire between earbuds protects them from falling. Also, I like the design of this charging case. It looks very sporty, don't you think so? By the way, it supports wireless charging. Okay, let's start the review with unboxing and then talk about other features of HAKII Fit earbuds. So, this is a box of HAKII Fit. We can see the image of earbuds, the model name and even big sport inscription on the front side. On the back, there are main features of HAKII Fit, such as a true wireless, comfort secure fit, sweat-proof, etc. Okay, let's open the box. By the way, I want to note high quality and stylish packaging. I think it would be a good gift for somebody. So here we can see the charging case. The earbuds are already inside the case. There is also an envelope with the user manual. Then we have a nice bag and package with ear tips, ear hooks and wire. Finally, micro USB cable for charging. That's all. As I already said, the package is premium and I have very good first impressions from unboxing HAKII Fit. Well, let's talk about design of charging case and earbuds. The charging case of HAKII Fit has a round shape. I am used to rectangular charging cases of other wireless earbuds, so this one is something unusual and very interesting for me. The charging case is soft, so I think it is not afraid of falls. It is very important for sport wireless earbuds because you can accidentally drop or step on charging case while playing sports. Here we can see 3 LED lights. They notify about the battery level. On the back, there is micro USB port for charging. As I already said, the charging case also supports wireless QI charging. I don't have QI wireless charging pad right now, so I cannot test this function. Okay, let's open the case and look at wireless earbuds. You can see left and right earbuds. There are 2 magnetic charging connectors inside. The earbuds are very nice looking. First, they have LED logos. If the logo lights blue, the earphones are ready for connection. Also, it can be red. There is a small hole on the outside. This is a microphone, so you can make or receive phone calls. HAKII Fit earbuds use control buttons. We will talk about control a little later. On the inside, there are 2 charging connectors and red ear tips. If you are interested in dimensions, one earbud is 26 by 19 by 26 mm. The weight is only 5.2 grams. By the way, the size of charging case is 71 by 36 mm. The weight is 75 grams. HAKII Fit earbuds is also waterproof by IPX5 standard. You cannot swim with earbuds, but they are not afraid of rain and sweat. As I already said, the main feature of HAKII Fit earbuds is 3 styles. You can use true wireless earbuds, attach ear hooks for better fixation, and use the wire to hang the earbuds on the neck when you take a break. I think that's a great idea. Now I want to connect HAKII Fit earbuds to my phone, and then we will talk about control. HAKII Fit uses Bluetooth 5.0 technology for connection with mobile devices. As you know, the range of Bluetooth 5.0 is 10 meters, so you can listen to music at a distance of 10 meters from connected phone. To connect earbuds to mobile device, you need to take them out of charging case. The logos on earbuds will light blue. Then go Bluetooth settings on your phone and choose HAKII Fit. That's all. The earbuds are paired and you can listen to music. As for the control, you can play and pause the music by one tap on any earbud. If you want to listen previous track, then tap on the left earbud and hold about 2 seconds. To switch the next song, tap and hold the right earbud. Double tap on any earbud activated Siri on iPhone and a Google Assistant on Android device. You can also take a call with one tap or reject the call with a long press on any earbud. Unfortunately, there is no volume control. You have to take the phone to increase or decrease the volume. HAKII Fit earbuds are equipped with a 6mm customized titanium dynamic driver. From my experience, the sound is not only high quality but also have a good bass. I think it is very important for sports earbuds. HAKII Fit have one of the best sound quality from earbuds I have tested for the last time. Let's talk about battery. The charging case of HAKII Fit has 5000 mAh capacity. This is enough to charge earbuds for about 3-4 times. As for earbuds themselves, they have 60 mAh batteries. The company promises 3.5 hours of battery life at 50% volume. As you can see, HAKII Fit has a standard battery life for wireless earphones in 2019. Well, I think we can draw a conclusion about these earbuds. The main feature of HAKII Fit is different styles, so you can use them as true wireless earbuds, ear hook, or the wire. You can choose which style is better for you. Also, I like the design of charging case. It is not like the other earbuds because of the round shape and the soft touch materials. Of course, the sound is professional. These are not budget earbuds, so they provide high-quality sound. However, compared to Samsung or Apple wireless earphones, HAKII Fit have a good price. You can buy them for $95. I will leave the link in description. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.